The aim of this video is to do question 16. A plane flies for 419 kilometers on a bearing of 148 degrees, 53 minutes true, and then for 186 kilometers on a bearing of 268 degrees, 31 minutes true. How far south is the plane from its starting position? So draw quite a significant drawing. Where you start, it's best to call it point A. So I start at point A, put in the compass rose, so there's north. If I go 148, it's more than 90, so it's somewhere there. I'm going for 419 kilometers to a point B. So this is 419 kilometers. The bearing is 148 degrees and 53 minutes. That angle. And then from that point, 186 kilometers. So first put in your compass rose, measure the angle of 268 degrees, 31 minutes. So that's almost 270. So it's from there almost up to the westerly direction, and a shorter distance than 419. It's only 186 kilometers. Now I'm at point C. And that angle is 268 degrees and 31 minutes. The question is asking, how far south is the plane from its starting point? So just how far south? One way to answer this is to draw in more triangles. I'm going to do it in red. If I extend this to there, come down from A to there, and I call this new point that I've created D, and I also complete a triangle here, call that point E. So to know south, let's call that Y1, that Y2, just need to add them up. Then I'll know how far south I am from point A. So first I start in triangle ABD. So A at the top, then D, then B, 90 degrees. I know the hypotenuse, 419. I need to find the angle there, which will be 180 degrees minus 148 degrees, 53 minutes. And that is 31 degrees and 7 minutes. Remember, there is 60 minutes in a degree. Then I use trigonometry and I want to find y1. So opposite the 90 degrees is h, the hypotenuse. Then opposite the angle is O, next to it is A. Write down saw her, car her, tore her. Next step, I have h. So let's tick every h. I want adjacent. So let's tick every adjacent. So it's clear that I need to use cosine. So I go cos of 31 degrees 7 minutes is equal to adjacent, y1, hypotenuse 419. So to backtrack, I backtrack the division through multiplication. So y1 will be 419 times by cos 31 degrees 7 minutes. I'll work it out later. Then triangle BEC. So that's B here, E which is 90, C that's Y2, the hypotenuse is 186. This angle is just short of 270. So it's 270, take the 268 degrees, 31 minutes. And to work that out, that is just 29 minutes to the next degree and then 1 degree. So it's 1 degree from 269 to 270 and 29 minutes. Then I label the hypotenuse opposite this angle and right next to this angle. Write down saw her, car her, tore her. I have hypotenuse, so tick the H. I want the opposite, so I tick O. It's clear that I want to use sine of 1 degree 29 minutes. which is opposite, which is y2. Hypotenuse is 186. I want to backtrack that division through multiplication. So y2 is 186 times the sine of 1 degree, 29 minutes. So if I want to know how far south I am, I need to add up the y1 and the y2. So now you get out your calculator and you're going to type this in. So remember, if you have a TI-84 plus CE, you now need to use the second function angle button so you can type it in correctly. So to find the degree symbol, you go, I'll write it in green here for you, second angle, option 1 is degree and option 2 will put in minutes. If you type it all in, there's no indication how accurate you need to be, so 2 decimal places will suffice. And you should get 363.53. Thus, to finally answer the question, the plane is 363.53 kilometers south from its starting position. Thank you.